Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dovi token. Now the Dovi token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 3rd. Brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, you can find their webpage at DOVIL2.com. Over there, you could stake tokens if you have Dovi tokens. You can do some other things as well. We're going to go over that in a second. And this token, it was just announced. They got a brand new central exchange listing starting today. It says January 3rd. Full trading opened up at 14 hours UTC time on a central exchange called Poloniex. So if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is download Poloniex from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search DOVI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it's known as the Dovi token or the DOVIL2. Now, this token, I believe, also has other central exchange listings as well. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here, at Dovi_L2. So it says, great sailing, Bitcoin Layer 2, Ordinals, BRC20, Layer 2, and then it has a link to their webpage right there on the Twitter. So if you just go to this Twitter, you're going to find lots of info. 59,400 Twitter followers, very well established project here with a lot of followers, 293 posts. So, yeah, they got some New Year posts, but basically, this token here is also listed on Kucoin, I believe. So you can stake this token, it looks like, as well on Kucoin. And then they have a burning drop. So it says here, I'm not sure if you could stake it on, you could stake it on the webpage for sure. You may be able to stake it on Kucoin. I'm not going to say for sure yet, but they just had a burning event, December 28th. They announced that on the Twitter right here. Staking just went live on the 25th. So now you can stake tokens. So that's brand new for the Dovi project here. But yeah, you can also get this token off Kucoin by the same thing. Downloading Kucoin from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store. Get it on your PC, open a Kucoin account, fund your account with USDT, and then search Dovi in the trade section. Now, they're partners with a lot of other BRC20 projects I see here that I've done videos on. One of them is TertSat. Go check out TertSat. And then they're also, they got listed December 12th on Kucoin. So fairly new listing on Kucoin, brand new listing on Poloniex. And they're also partners with UP, which is another BRC20 token, UPPP. And check out the video I did on that as well. So, besides the Twitter that has tons of tweets that you could go through there, they also have a webpage, DOVIL2.com. There is a total supply of 15 million Dovi tokens. It's on the BRC mainnet, and you can find their token address on their webpage here. So Dovi is a community-driven Bitcoin Layer 2 project designed to increase scalability, reduce fees, and promote a more secure and decentralized financial ecosystem. So that's what it is in a nutshell. And the name of the token is Dovi_L2. Build together on Bitcoin L2. Dovi, a community-driven Bitcoin Layer 2 Ethereum virtual machine-compatible smart contract platform designed to enhance scalability, reduce fees, and foster a more secure and decentralized financial ecosystem. So the advantages of DOVIL2: efficient transaction processing, significantly reduced network fees, safer consensus mechanism, scalable second layer network, and it looks like they probably have a white paper coming soon to their webpage because it says learn more about us, and then it looks like it has a download arrow, but there's nothing there yet. And I tried opening it up in a couple browsers, nothing popped up, so it's probably coming soon. So enhancing Bitcoin's capability, privacy, and efficiency. So enhancing Bitcoin security with decentralized multi-signature transactions, efficient and discrete, reducing transaction size, and optimizing block space. They also offer multi-asset support, diverse asset management, supports various asset types, including BRC20 and ARC20, enables fast and secure cross-chain asset transfers. They also have smart contracts and decentralized finance. So Ethereum virtual machine compatibility allows deployment of Ethereum-designed smart contracts on the Bitcoin network, supports a range of DeFi applications for decentralized exchanges, lending, and automation, and client-side verification and off-chain scalability, privacy-focused verification. So there's client-side verification that enhances transaction privacy, and off-chain processing, which improves scalability by reducing the load on the main chain. So their roadmap here, starting with the short-term goals in the first year, is going to be launch and deploy, and then build the community. Then their long-term goals that are going to happen within the next 1 to 3 years is going to be enhancing and optimizing adoption and maturity, expanding the ecosystem and innovation leadership. And then the potential extensions of the roadmap involve technical upgrades and new markets and community growth. So they're going to release their testnet. They're going to establish a developer community and ecosystem support, and then launch DOVIL2. So if you need to contact them, they say you could contact them on their Twitter, which I put on the screen there. Now you can connect your wallet to the page with Wallet Connect and stake your tokens on DOVIL2.com, and you can get this token off of LBANK, off of Kucoin, and there's probably some other central exchanges as well. So go check this token out. Now I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is, and leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.